Yes, Nikki and Eric, a family friend shares with me the name of that 9-year-old boy that died on February 5th. She says his name is Cyrus Blakely. And just less than 24 hours after his school held a private vigil for him, his adoptive parents were arraigned right here today, this morning, for allegedly killing him.
Your attorneys have indicated you are prepared to waive those rights at this time. Is that correct, Mr. Blakely? Is that correct, Ms. Blakely?
On Friday morning, adoptive parents Corey and Kimberly Blakely appeared side by side for their arraignment for the first time. Just a week ago, Kimberly Blakely showed up to their arraignment alone and in tears. Corey Blakely at the time, as the Placer County DA confirms, refusing to leave his holding cell.
Mr. Blakely's been advised of his constitutional rights, entered not guilty pleas to the charges and denials to any allegations contained within the complaint.
This time, the two adoptive parents both entering into a not guilty plea.
The case was set for 2 weeks from today for further proceedings, and the discovery process will officially begin.
This formal complaint details how the adoptive parents are charged with torturing and murdering the 9-year-old boy. Further charges against them: cruelty to a child by abuse and neglecting or endangering the health of 6 other children, ranging from 6 to 13 years of age.
If we come to the opinion that more charges are warranted, we will and file them when necessary, but nothing at this point.
Those children currently under protective custody.
Oftentimes in cases involving children, there are interviews, digital evidence that includes statements of the children. Those are protected as part of the record, and a judge has to release them.
The adoptive parents were not the only Blakeleys in court Friday. A family friend says the adoptive grandparents were inside the courtroom too. Kathleen Despain Moore shares this photo of the 9-year-old who died February 5th. She tells us his name was Cyrus Blakely. He would have turned 10 in August. Despain Moore tells Fox 40, quote, "To know Cyrus was to love him. He was a charismatic, charming, and courageous little boy who was always up for an adventure," end quote. She shares this statement from Cyrus's adoptive parents, Tim and Ramona Blakely. "It is the kindness and love of this amazing community that is allowing us to cope and remain clearly focused on the welfare of Cyrus's sweet siblings," end quote. And on March 6th, the family friend tells us a celebration of life will be held for Cyrus, and the people that attend are asked to wear the color blue. The first portion of that celebration of life will be open to the public, and this will be held at the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints in Rancho Cordova. Also back here at court on March 1st, the adoptive parents will be back for their pretrial hearing. They're currently being held at no bail. Live here in Roseville, covering local news that matters, Kristen Barton, Fox 40 News.